Good morning everybody and welcome to a new episode of the Exam Day Show. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic when building applications for Android, iOS and Windows using Xamarin.Forms, which is the requirement of data binding nullable of datetime objects to the DatePicker control. Unfortunately, the built-in DatePicker control does not allow data binding nullable of datetime objects. It just accepts datetime. So, the Xamarin.Forms have a number of solutions to this problem, and in this particular thread you will find a number of possible implementations of custom controls that inherit from DatePicker. Here I have decided to adopt one, and basically this class called custom DatePicker inherits from DatePicker and implements a new property called NullableDate, which is of type datetime, NullableDateTime. This code is then responsible for binding the original date property to the NullableDate property value. How do you use this control? Actually, it's very easy. In the case you have defined the custom control in a different namespace, then you will have to import the XML namespace here, and then you will simply declare an instance of the custom control in your XAML code, and then you will data bind the NullableDate property with the nullable of datetime property in your model. In my case, I have this simple model class where I have a nullable of datetime property, which is data bound to the control. The very interesting thing is that this control will also show a message on particular platforms such as iOS and Android, but not on Windows, especially on a universal Windows platform version. So in this particular case, if I start the app on the Windows desktop version, I already see a date, but when I select this will be data bound to the original property in the data model. And what I want to underline is that the property in my model class is assigned with null. If I did this against the built-in DatePicker control from Xamarin.Forms, this would result in an app crash. So with this very easy approach, we have been able to data bound a So with this very easy approach, we have been able of data binding a nullable of datetime to a custom DatePicker control. Thank you for watching this video.